to show you where we are in the demo phase. Let me flip it around. So right here, we have the front entrance. This will be the entrance to the townhome. So what it is this end will be a townhome, upstairs, downstairs, and far end will be one apartment on the bottom and one apartment up top. So that front entrance is closed up, so we're going to take this entrance. This entrance is the one that would be for the upstairs apartment. So we're not going to go up there right now, but that would go to the upstairs apartment. And this over here is the townhome. This is not the way you would enter, but I'm going to show you where the main entrance is. So that would be the main entrance that you saw from outside. So you would walk in that door initially, and this would be bedroom number 1 down here. This wall is going to be closed up. Door is going to be over there. What I'm standing in right now is the living room. You got 9-foot ceilings throughout. And what I'm standing in is the living room. So this is going to be the living room I'm in, and this is going to be the kitchen part over here. So the fridge will go right there against that wall. As you walk in the door, it'll kind of be blocked. There was a wall right here. We took it down. It wasn't load bearing at all, so we took that wall down. We walk through here. We're still downstairs in the townhome. This would be the townhome's downstairs bathroom. So you would actually enter from right here, and that would be a full bath downstairs. And this wall here's got to come out. Not necessarily come out, but it has to move over, because the stairs to go upstairs is right here. So the stairs is right here, but this wall is too narrow in this area. So this wall here has to go out to about here. So it has to move over maybe 1.5 feet for us to put the stairs to get upstairs in the townhome. So this is the downstairs portion of the townhome. So living room, kitchen, bedroom 1 over there, bathroom 1, and stairs to go up. But of course the stairs are not there right now. So that's it for the downstairs townhome. All right, so now we're upstairs with the same townhome. This may look kind of confusing because a lot of these walls could have to be shifted around, and some of them knocked down, some new walls put up. But I'm gonna try to explain this best I can. The stairs that I show you downstairs are underneath this area here. The top of those stairs would be right here. So this is where you would enter. This is where you would enter the upstairs. So when you enter the upstairs, you're gonna have a bedroom back here, bedroom back there, and all this area over here will be I'm sorry, I said that wrong. The bathroom will be here. Bedroom number 1 would be over there. Bedroom 2 would be over here. Bedroom 2 is actually the master. It's a big bedroom. We will actually just be going through that wall, taking that whole wall down. And this room and that room will be the master. So it'd be pretty big. We're gonna lose some of this over here because of the steps. So it won't be that big. This will be bedroom number 2. And this would be the bathroom area for the upstairs. And that's it. I know it's hard to kind of piece it together right now because it's not really laid out the way it's supposed to be, but trust me on that. That's how it's gonna look. Next video, I'll probably show the other unit and the upstairs unit and then the downstairs unit on the other side. See you next time.